start writing the questions of the lesson The Alien Planet. The first question is, when and where was the Green Party formed? When and where was the Green Party formed? What was the conclusion of the Green Party? What was the conclusion of the Green Party? What do you mean by the term sustainable development? What do you mean by the term sustainable development? What do you mean by the term sustainable development? What is special in the zoo at Lusaka? What is special in the zoo at Lusaka? Next question.
In the zoo?
At Lusaka. What was the question? What was the question raised by? What was the question raised by the first Brent report? What was the question raised by the first Brent BRANDT Brent report REPORT? Who has written the book?
The next question.
Who has written the book The Global Economic Prospect? Who has written the book The Global Economic Prospect? And what is it about? And what is it about? Who has written the book The Global Economic Prospect? And what is it is about? And what is it about? Why are local forests being decimated in poor countries? Why are local forests being decimated? Why are local forests being decimated in poor countries? What does Article 48A? What does Article 48 of the Constitution of India provide? What does Article 48A of the Constitution of India provide? What does Article 48A of the Constitution of India provide? Why is overpopulation a critical factor? Why is overpopulation a critical factor in development? Why is overpopulation a critical factor in development? What are the views of Margaret Thatcher? Margaret, M-A-R-G-A-R-E-T, Margaret Thatcher, T-H-A-T-C-H-E-R, during the year of her prime ministership. During the year of her prime ministership, what were the views of Margaret Thatcher? What were the views of Margaret Thatcher, M-A-R-G-A-R-E-T, Thatcher, T-H-A-T-C-H-E-R, during the year of Margaret Thatcher, during the years of her prime ministership, as far as the earth is concerned,